guys, today we're going to learn about Welsh. And Welsh is you saying hello. Hello is like hello, okay? And house is tea. House. Tea, house. In Welsh, tea. In English, wherein you talking English or Welsh, house, and you having a phone. The phone is ringing. Then you have the phone press that button on and saying hello. Then, and do not know the voice, press off, okay? And this is so important. That's right. And you have a computer and pressing on and move put it on again. Oh, this is really. Then you blast off. Then you go on that. And then you phone in someone. Don't phone someone you not know. Alright? Don't phone someone you not know. And you phone in someone you not know. Your mommy and daddy could be angry, like that, and that is important. And you playing snap with someone you don't know, then you get angry. I win, like that. Be friendly. That's right, you win, like that. And don't run off like this, or they will not be friends anymore. But I was having a friend, then I lost it, then I found another friend. I'm going to find another friend, and you don't know. Going to find another friend in school, and we're painting her rainbow dash together. We're having the same comic. Then, and you're swapping. I'm gonna swap right now. Oh no, we're not allowed to swap. We need to colour on our own. Why? We just want to swap rainbow dash, but we're the same. Well, don't worry. We need to swap. No, we're not allowed to swap like that. And then you swapped it. Here you go. Like that. Be friendly. That is important, you know. And you have a phone, like now, and press that, and then you phone. Hello, are you here, someone? Oh, I'm not your friend, and I'm not your cousin anymore. Like that. Don't talk like that for them. Just talk like this. cousin. You can be my new cousin. I miss my new cousin, but you can be my new cousin. Sorry, I got a cousin already. Okay, goodbye. Don't be sad. You still can find a new person to be your cousin. Goodbye. And next video is I'm going to show how you're going to go on games. Goodbye.